how to recover my eyes only deleted pictures on Snapchat. So if you want to recover my eyes only deleted pictures on your Snapchat, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Snapchat application. After that, go with your profile, which will be in the top left. Go with your settings, which will be in the top right. And under settings, you need to scroll down again. And then you'll find an option of Help Center. Tap on Help Center. From here, you need to scroll down again and then go with Contact Us section, which will be in the bottom. Now scroll down again and then go with I need help with the Snapchat feature. And then scroll down again and you'll find My Eyes section. You can tap on it and you will get the AI answer. But if you're not satisfied with the AI answer, then you just need to simply go with the bot, which will be in the bottom. You will have Snapchat support bot. You need to first start the verification process and then you can ask a detailed question. Now you need to write that I want to recover my eyes only deleted pictures on my Snapchat. How can I do that? And it will generate you the process on how you can recover your My Eyes only deleted pictures. And with this process or with this answer, you'll be able to recover your My Eyes only deleted pictures on your Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.